Hello everyone, this is Suganya from Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about Python programming. String is a sequence of characters. String may contain alphabets, numbers and special character. Usually string are enclosed within a single quotes and double quotes. String is immutable in nature. Immutable. String in Python are immutable, that is, they cannot be changed after they created. String are immutable, designed to keep the safe, consistent and efficient. Immutability makes strings hackable, memory efficient and thread safe, ensuring they can be reused without unexpected changes. Built-in string methods. Python supports various built-in methods to manipulate string. Each method is called an object. Some of the commonly used built-in methods are capitalize, case of, hold, center, count, encode, ends with, find, format, index, join, lower, replace. Python modules. Module is a file containing definition and statement. Module can define functions, classes and variables. A module can also include runnable code. Module direct function. The direct built-in function returns a sorted list of strings containing the names defined by a module. List. Lists are used to store multiple items or values in a single variable. The list is sequence data types which is used to store the collection of data. Tuples and string are other types of sequence data type. Python lists are immutable, order changeable and allow duplicate values. We can change their elements after forming. Lists are one of four built-in data types. The other three are tuple, set and dictionary, all the different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets and separated by commas. List item are indexes. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, etc. Access values in list. There are different ways to accessing the list in Python. Index and value. Nested list. In order to create a nested list, you can simply use square bracket to enclose one or more lists inside another list. Basic operation list and list methods. There are many different types of operation that you can perform on Python list, including append, index, insert, length, delete, pop, concatenation, sort, indexing, reverse, extend. Python tuples. Tuples are very similar to list except that they are immutable. They cannot be changed. They are created using parentheses after then square bracket. Creating a tuple. A tuple is created by placing all the items elements inside a parenthesis separated by commas. The parentheses are optional but is good practice to write it. A tuple can have any number of items and they may be of different types: integer, float, list, string, etc. Accessing elements in tuple. You can access the values in the tuple with their index, just as you did with list. Nested tuple are accessed using nested indexing. Negative indexing can be applied to tuples similar to list. We can access a range of items in a tuple by using the slicing operator. Deleting a tuple. We cannot change the elements in a tuple. That also means we cannot delete or remove items from a tuple. But deleting tuples entirely is possible using keyword delete. Python dictionary. Python dictionary is unordered collection of items which other compounded data types have only values as a element. A dictionary key as a key value pair. Dictionary are optimized to retrieve values then the key is known. Creating a dictionary. Creating a dictionary is as simple as placing items inside curly brackets separated by comma. Each element in the dictionary is separated by key value pair. While value can be any data types and can repeat, key must be immutable type and must be unique. Deleting elements from a dictionary. We can remove a particular item in a dictionary by using the method form. This method remove as a item will the provide key and returns the value. All items can be removed at once using the clear method. We can also use the del keyword to remove individual items or the entire dictionary items. File is named location on disk to store related information. It used to permanently store data in non-volatile memory. In Python, a file operation takes place the following order: open a file, read or write, close the file. Open a file. We can open a file using built-in function open. This function returns file object, also called handle. It used to read or modify the file. We can specify the mode while opening a file, or read, write, append. Closing a file. File closing is done with close methods. Reading file. File object includes the following methods to read data from the file. Read character reads the specified number of characters starting from the current position. Read line reads the characters starting from the current reading position up to new line character. Read lines reads all lines until end of the file and return a list object. Renaming a file. The OS model Python provides methods that help to perform file processing operations such as renaming and deleting. To rename, extending file rename methods is used. It takes two arguments, current file name and a new file name. Deleting a file. We can delete a file by using remove method. Thank you.